Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's XoXo Adine. So today's video I'm gonna do a gel like set. Here I'm just prepping her nails, and I didn't film a lot of this just to make this video a little bit shorter. Here I'm just gonna nip away some of her length. She didn't want them too long, so I'm just gonna cut them off. And here I'm just filing them so they can have a nice shape when they grow out. And then here I'm just cleaning around the cuticle, making sure there's nothing on the actual nail plate. And we were actually watching House Hunters. We love watching House Hunters. I could watch like TV shows relating to like decor and houses all day long. But anyway, here I'm nipping away any of her dried skin. She doesn't really have a lot, but I'm just going around to make sure everything's nice and neat. You guys, can you believe it? Like, October is literally around the corner. This video is going up on Sunday, and yeah, so I'm using the DIAMI Square gel tips. These are their slim short, and I'm just prepping them, removing the layer from the inside of it so it could have some texture. Here I'm just going to prime and dehydrate, prime, and then add a slip layer of the gel, and then I'm going to cure that slip layer in the light for about 20 seconds. Here I'm just dropping the nail at a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to do that to all her fingernails. And the light is from a Prey. I will link it down below. I love this little light. You guys, are you ready for all the holiday festivities? Halloween's around the corner. After that, it's Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's, and the year's over. I'm so excited for all the festivities. So this is how the nails look. Here I'm just sealing the cuticle, and I'm removing the shiny from the rest of the nail so we could prep it for gel polish. The polish I'm using right here is by Madame Clam, and the color is Pivot. And it's like a warm neutral color. And then this one is by Jelly Fit NAG02, and this is a cat eye gel. And we're going to activate that with a magnet. So here I'm applying Pivot on the pinky, the middle finger, and the thumb. And here I'm just cleaning any polish that might have went into the, the nooks and cranny. And then I'm going to take the Jelly Fit color, and I'm going to do one layer of this color. And just take your time, you guys, when it comes to painting your nails or anybody's nails. The less product you have, the more control, that you have. And here I'm taking the magnet, and look, the little particles, the magnets, being activated by the magnet. I love it. And this is what the nails look like. You guys, it was so hard to catch these nails like on camera. In real life, they look so pretty. And here I'm just exfoliating her skin. Some of us get those like little hard sides on in the corner of our fingers. So I'm just exfoliating that with a polish bit from Erica's ATA. And then yeah, you guys, look how they look. They look so pretty. I really love them, and she loved them as well. You guys, so that basically completes the look. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. You guys take care. Bye.